Are you okay? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, honey. Oh, my God. What do I do? What do I do? Ew, God, it's in my shirt. Oh, my God. It's soaked. Oh, my God. Move him. Move him. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Get off. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Ew. Ew. Oh, my God. Feel my legs. Oh, my God. It's still on my legs.
It's still on his legs.
Where?
Right in there.
Oh, God. Ew. Ew. I'm sorry, Mo. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Help me.
Here's a towel.
Okay. Oh, God. Oh, God. This is the grossest thing that's ever. Ew, look at my underwear. Oh, my God. I need water. I need water. Oh, my God. It's everywhere. Give me your feet, baby. Oh, my God. Give me your feet. You're okay. It's on my underwear. Alright, it's not going to get better. It's not. What if he pukes again?
That's what, leave the towel there.
Oh my God. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. Good boy. Alright, good boy.